So I'm going to show you a little bit about Bitmoji. And we're going to start with the screen recording of my iPhone. Could be an iPad, could be anything that plays Google apps as well. So today I wanted to show you about Bitmoji, which is an app that's available from the Google Store or iOS. So if I click on Bitmoji app, what you're going to see is that I have my own little avatar that I can use in various ways to engage students. And when you first come in, I've already created my avatar, but you go in and you pick your hairstyle, the hair color, any highlights, your eye color, and you make it look as close to you as possible. You can pick the clothes, you can change the clothes, you've got fashion and that type of thing. Then I can go in and I can type in something that maybe I want to put on something for my students. So I like this where it says hi. I can then save that image to my camera roll and use it just like I would any other image that I can put on things. So you may be asking yourself, how do I use this? Why would this be handy in education? And I thoroughly believe that just something that engages students. There's some really silly things here. And you don't want to overuse a Bitmoji, but it can add a little bit to a slide presentation, to an email, to embedded in your learning management system so that you can kind of grab the attention of your students to have them read something that's on a page. So I'm going to show you some examples. And so my examples are in a presentation that I did last year for a school, helping them integrate an iPad cart. And as you can see, my Bitmoji is just there, especially if there's a lot of information, just to grab the attention. You'll see I use it in a way that's just to kind of point students to engage with them, because that's the purpose of these sessions. And I'm not overusing it, just occasionally. I will say that some of the Bitmojis aren't necessarily appropriate for education, so be careful what you pick. But just choosing one to make a statement is a really good way to both engage and to kind of support what's happening on this slide. So for instance, here is a key. These are the keys to successful technology integration. I would also tell you that besides doing it on your phone, you also have the ability to put Bitmoji as an extension on your Chrome web browser. And to do that, you'll be on Chrome, hit the three buttons, go down to more tools, and extensions. And then when you're in extensions, you want to go down to where it says Open Chrome Store, right here. And then you're going to type in Bitmoji and you're going to go ahead and add it to your extension. Once you add it to your extensions, it's then available in your Google Gmail. It's available on any web page. So let's say I'm here on this slide and I decide I want to add another one on a different slide on success. I can find it and I can add it to the slide very easily. So you've got multiple ways to use Bitmojis in a way to help your students. And that is this week's version of Edtech for Engagement.